Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. You've just tried to update WhatsApp, expecting a smooth process, only to be met with a frustrating error. The update won't install. This is a common issue many Android users encounter. But the good news is that there are multiple ways to resolve it. Let's take a comprehensive journey through the troubleshooting steps to get your WhatsApp back on track. 1. Checking your internet connection. Before diving into complex fixes, start with the basics. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the culprit. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network or has a strong mobile data signal. Try loading a web page or streaming a video to confirm connectivity. If your internet is down or fluctuating, even the best app store won't be able to complete the update. 2. Restart to refresh. Believe it or not, simply restarting your phone can resolve many temporary glitches. This clears temporary cache files, refreshes system processes, and might just fix the Play Store's failure to update what. 3. Clear some space. One of the most overlooked reasons an update fails is insufficient storage. WhatsApp updates can be large, especially if new features or security patches are included. Navigate to Settings, scroll down and select Battery and Device Care, and tap Storage and check how much space is available. If you're low, delete unused apps, clear downloads, or move files to an SD card or cloud storage. 4. Clear Google Play Store, cache, and data. Over time, the Google Play Store's cache can become bloated or corrupted, leading to update errors. Here's how to fix it. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Scroll down and search for Google Play Store. Tap on Storage, select Clear Cache, then Clear Data. 5. Check for system updates. Your Android system needs to be compatible with the latest version of WhatsApp. Sometimes, the app won't update simply because your Android version is outdated. Go to Settings, scroll down, and select About Phone. Scroll down a bit, and tap on Software Updates, and install any available system updates. 6. Update the Play Store itself. The Play Store app occasionally receives updates, and an outdated version may cause problems. Open the Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, click About, and then tap Play Store version. If an update is available, it will install automatically. 7. Remove and re-add your Google account. If the Play Store still won't let you update WhatsApp, there might be a problem with your Google account sync. You can try removing your account and adding it back. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Then click Manage Account. Tap on your account and choose Remove Account. Restart your phone. Go back and re-add your Google account. Now you know how to fix WhatsApp, not updating on the Play Store. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.